United States of Pavlikeni. Follow me. Veliko village. Amenities in place, shops aplenty, public transport, and only 10 minutes to Pavlikeni by road. 26 hours to London. And we recommend Mihaltsi with full and absolute confidence. A Veliko fixer-upper. If you're a first-time buyer, this one is definitely not for you. I get it. You want the 2-story tumble-down with 5 acres. However, if you've grown out of that phase and now looking for easy upkeep, follow me. 840 square meters, no jungles, and no toiling the soil in the summer sun. Your secret back garden. L'essentiel is already in place. Instant transfer of keys and rights. Corridor. Room 1, room 2, and room 3. And a secret basement. Jesus Christ, spiders, and Christmas. It's all going down in Pavlikeni. Guys, don't forget, it's almost Christmas, and this would make a lovely present. And the first one to slap down the deposit climbs the property ladder and takes the whole lot. And 30 minutes to some other place. Our home base since 2003. And please visit, view, and please, please, please compare regions before you buy.